Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything so you work safely. Once unplugged, lay the monitor face down on a soft towel to prevent scratches. You want to identify the stand attachment. Some use 4 screws, others a quick-release tab behind the VESA plate. Use the correct screwdriver and release the latch while supporting the display with one hand. Once the bracket is loose, lift straight up to separate the stand from the monitor and set the display aside on its padded surface. You now align the new stand or VESA bracket to the monitor's mounting holes. Check the VESA pattern, 75x75 or 100x100 mm, and match the supplied screws. Once aligned, thread screws by hand first to prevent cross-threading, then tighten in an X pattern so pressure distributes evenly. Make sure the bracket sits flush. If spacers are included, use them to avoid pressure on the back panel. Once done, gently wiggle the bracket to verify a secure fit. You place the monitor onto the new base or arm and engage the locking mechanism. For arms, hook then tighten the clamp or gas spring set screw. Adjust tilt, height, and rotation to ergonomic height, eyes level with top third of the screen, and use a small level to confirm alignment. If you notice wobble or sag, make sure screws are fully tightened, the VESA plate is flush, and the arm's weight rating matches the monitor. If issues persist, reverse steps and inspect for missing washers or bent mounts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.